Greetings, fellow seekers of wisdom and tranquility. Today we embark on a profound journey back in time, where the principles of Stoicism first began to shape the realms of philosophy and human understanding. In the midst of our modern hustle and bustle, these age-old teachings continue to be a beacon of light, guiding individuals to lead lives filled with virtue, peace, and resilience. In this episode, we delve deep into the life and teachings of Epictetus, a revered figure in Stoic philosophy, whose story of transformation from slavery to becoming a celebrated philosopher remains an everlasting inspiration. Born a slave nearly 2,000 years ago in Hierapolis, now modern-day Turkey, Epictetus experienced the cruelties of life firsthand. Yet, instead of succumbing to bitterness and despair, he chose a path of wisdom, embodying the principles of Stoicism, not merely in words but in daily actions. His journey is not just a testament to human resilience, but a vivid illustration of how embodying Stoicism can radically transform one's life. Epictetus's philosophy was centered on living, rather than merely discussing philosophy. A beacon of virtue, he exemplified how one could find peace and stability in the chaos of the world. But how has his profound wisdom transcended through the sands of time? We owe much of this to the works of Arrian, a dedicated student who meticulously recorded Epictetus's discourses, ensuring that his profound insights would echo through the centuries, nurturing minds and guiding souls in their quests for wisdom. As we immerse ourselves in the deep wells of Stoic philosophy, let's unravel the pivotal concept of the dichotomy of control. This principle, eloquently narrated through the potent words of Epictetus, reminds us that while we cannot control everything that happens to us, we have the power to control our reactions. Embrace this wisdom, for it is the key to unlocking a life of serenity and purpose. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. With these poignant words, Epictetus beckons us to cultivate virtues like patience, resilience, and fortitude. By nurturing our character and maintaining our virtues, we navigate life's turbulent seas with grace and poise. As we move deeper into our exploration, let us pause for a moment. If you are finding value in this journey of wisdom and insights, please consider subscribing to our channel, The Stoic Life, where a treasure trove of philosophical wonders await you. Embarking further, we encounter the practical application of Stoicism in our daily lives. Imagine navigating through life's challenges with a steadfast heart, using obstacles as fuel to forge a stronger, more resilient self. Imagine swapping expectations for appreciation, a potent advice echoed by modern-day philosopher Tony Robbins. Here we unearth the crucial role of gratitude in Stoicism, a practice that not only nourishes the soul, but fosters a deep connection with the beauty and wonder of life. Ah, fellow seekers, isn't it a wonder how life unfolds itself, sometimes in the most unexpected ways? Often we find ourselves entangled in the web of daily routines, forgetting to pause and appreciate the subtle art of existence. Stoicism, dear friends, is like a gentle whisper in the wind, reminding us to stand still amidst life's whirlpool, to witness the beauty and chaos with equanimity. A powerful Stoic practice that reverberates through time is memento mori, a somber yet empowering reminder of the transient nature of life. By embracing this concept, we foster a profound appreciation for the present moment, nurturing a heart brimming with joy and wonder. As we forge ahead on this voyage of discovery, we are reminded of an age-old tale, one that encapsulates the Stoic approach to life's unpredictable nature. Picture a humble Chinese farmer, living in harmony with the land. One day his horse ran away, leaving him with no means to till his field. The villagers lamented his bad luck, but the farmer merely replied, "Good thing, bad thing, who knows?" And surely in time the horse returned, bringing along a herd of wild horses. This tale, dear friends, illustrates the fluid nature of events, a perspective that frees us from the confinement of labeling experiences as strictly good or bad. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, we find ourselves amidst what can be described as perfect chaos, an idea mirrored in the origins of Stoicism itself, birthed by the profound reflections of Zeno. Picture Zeno, the founder of Stoicism, lost in contemplation amidst the bustling streets of ancient Athens, finding peace and wisdom amidst the chaos, fostering a philosophy that teaches us to see the world not as a place of disorder, but as a space where perfect order and chaos coexist in a harmonious dance. Now let us turn our gaze towards a modern proponent of Stoicism, Ryan Holiday, who introduced us to a revolutionary concept: the obstacle is the way. Through his eyes we learn to perceive hurdles not as barriers, but as opportunities beckoning us to grow. to evolve, inviting us to embrace challenges as avenues to unearth our true potential. And speaking of potential, we cannot bypass the wisdom bestowed upon us by another Stoic luminary, Marcus Aurelius. His poignant reflections resonate through time, urging us to harbor a steadfast aim in life. It's not because things are difficult that we dare not venture. It's because we dare not venture that they are difficult. These golden words invite us to differentiate between nurturing an aim and harboring rigid expectations, thus fostering a life filled with purpose, yet devoid of undue strain. As we near the end of this enlightening journey, we cannot help but pause to absorb the magnitude of wisdom that Stoicism offers us. As you venture forth, we encourage you to embody these principles in your daily encounters, to foster a life brimming with virtue, resilience, and joy. And as you stand at the cusp of a new beginning, armed with the golden insights of Stoicism, remember that you are not alone in this journey. Together, we form a vibrant tapestry of seekers, each one of us adding unique hues of wisdom and experiences to this grand masterpiece. As you tread this path, do not shy away from sharing your unique stories, for in sharing, we find connection. In connection, we find strength. And in strength, we find the true essence of a life well lived. But before we part, we invite you, our cherished viewers, to immerse yourselves in this vibrant community of Stoic explorers. Share your thoughts, your stories, your reflections in the comments below, and let us build a sanctuary of wisdom and compassion together. We also invite you to become an integral part of our journey. Like this video, share the essence of Stoicism with others, and don't forget to subscribe to The Stoic Life for more enlightening content as we venture further into the depths of human wisdom and understanding. And remember, dear friends, in the grand tapestry of life, every thread, be it of joy or sorrow, weaves into a magnificent picture of growth and evolution. So venture forth with an open heart, and may the Stoic flame guide your path.